Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a Dior haul. So as you guys know, I recently went to Dior, and if you haven't seen that vlog, check it out. I will link it above. I show all the new Dior items, try everything for you. So if you want to check out what's new in Dior at the moment, do check that vlog out. It's very fun, and Dior have got some amazing things in at the moment. Anyway, it's time to reveal what I've got. If you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Mel. I would love for you to come join the family. Just hit that red button and don't forget to click that bell so you're notified each time I upload. Okay, let's get right into the reveals. So firstly, let's just talk about this beautiful packaging. I mean, it is the Dior Christmas packaging. I was really late to go to Dior, so I wanted to sort of like showcase it. You guys probably have seen it, but I don't know, I just like this setup, and you guys have told me in the past that you love it too. So that's why I've kind of like set it up this way. So in this box here, let's do this one. So Dior even had the beautiful blue Christmas ribbon. I actually think Dior, every Christmas, Dior do the most beautiful packaging. One of the best in my opinion. Okay, so in here, the box looks big, but that's because my amazing essay, hi Sun if you're watching, he was so sweet. Actually, this is what I got, but he knows that I don't have any of this sort of packaging, so he gave me this and boxed it up all beautifully. So in here, I did try this on the vlog, so you may guess, but I got dun, 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 this beautiful, actually I think it's cotton something. Let me look at the composition label. It is wool, cashmere and silk. Okay. And it is this beautiful scarf. I've told you guys that I am such a fan of Toile de Joie ever since they brought it out a couple of years ago, and I just love this. So this comes in various colors. It comes in the pink, this is the gray, and I think it may even come in the blue. And I really loved this one because it is firstly really big. I'll put the dimensions down here. And another reason why I wanted this is because I'm thinking, besides wearing it as a scarf and belting it up, I could even make this into like a dress. You guys know how I love using my scarves, like my Hermes scarves, to make sort of dresses or tops. I think I can do something, oops, I think I can do something with this. So this is very pricey because, as I told you, the composition is, you know, wool, cashmere, silk blend, but it is a humongous scarf. Like I'm just trying to, yeah, it's really big. And so let me share the price with you. So the price of this is actually 1,750 Australian dollars. Like I mentioned, very pricey, but I do believe their scarves start from about 1,000 unless you are buying a smaller scarf. So definitely a scarf that I love, and I just adore this Toile de Joie print. So that is the very first item that I bought. And then I have something in here, and this is something that I actually got for you. Surprise! So this is one of my favorite Dior perfumes. It is Miss Dior Perfume. It is 100 mils. I own this myself. I have several Dior perfumes actually. And because it is perfume, this giveaway is actually only open to my Aussie followers. But don't worry, for all my international followers, you guys know that I always do giveaways, and 2021 I'll be continuing that. But I also realized I've never just done an Australian only giveaway, so this is dedicated to all my Aussie followers. Yeah, I just wanted to share one of my favorite perfumes with you. So this is the 100 mils. It retails for $240, and yeah, I didn't want to put giveaway in the title. It is just a mini surprise, And if you want to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is 1, be subscribed to my channel, 2, make sure you like this video and click the notification bell and select all notifications. And 3, go over to my Facebook and follow me on Facebook. I will leave the link down below as well. And just comment below, what city are you from? And then leave your email or your Instagram handle, whatever you're comfortable with, so it's easier for me to contact you if you're the winner. So I'm just gonna leave this giveaway open for about 10 days, but I will leave the end date in the description bar below. So this is going out to one of you, and you're gonna love it because, yeah, Dior perfumes are just beautiful. So floral, they last, and yeah, it's one of my faves. So you have to excuse the lighting because the sun's decided to come out. Melbourne is we're in summer, but it's seriously raining one minute, then sunny the other. But anyway, my amazing SA gave me this box. If you're seeing a lot of, boxes around, because from my closet tour, you guys know that I display this on the top shelf of my closet. So if you haven't seen my closet tour, nothing's really changed too much from there. I'll link it above, but I just adore the packaging. It is just stunning. So that's why there's all this extra boxes and, bags that he gave me. I didn't buy 5 Dior bags, even though I love all their bags. But let's move on to another box over here. And comment below. Let's pause the video and comment below what bag, it is a bag, do you think I got? Ready? Comment now. Okay, I hope you guys paused because I think you guys probably know me very well. We always play this game and so many of you get it right. Maybe I'm just too predictable or something. So in here, I got, dun, dun, dun. Okay, so always beautifully wrapped. It is in this bag, the Dior. I actually don't have a dust bag that's got the gold Dior, but it may throw you because normally it should come in another dust bag. I'll explain after, but it is so pretty. To reveal, yes, it is the gorgeous floral Lady D-Lite in the new season floral. But I loved this one because it's got all this beautiful gold leaf through it. I just love the embroidery. I love floral, as you guys know. Let me undo all of this and all the handles. Okay. So that is the beautiful handle, and we'll undo this as well. And this is where the charms are. Now, normally Lady Dior's or even the D-Lites come in a swan dust bag, but they actually ran out. But, my SA did say that he would give me one the next time, but that's okay. I actually really like this dust bag as well. So the difference between this D-Lite bag and say the normal Lady Dior, it is exactly the same shape. So this is equivalent to the medium, and it does have the flap here, so you just open it up that way. And let me take all the stuffing out. So inside it is not lined, but there is a slit pocket. This is the authenticity card, which it's all stamped and everything. And then there is one zipper pocket at the back as well. Now, also, I was saying the difference between this and the Lady Dior purely is that the D-Lites are in, fabric. So this is in fabric. It is not leather. So I don't own a D-Lite. I did really like it when they first brought it out in the Canage and the beautiful grays and pinks about 1.5 years ago. But I just didn't love them. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to hold off and wait for a print that I love. And obviously you guys know I love floral. That's why I picked this. And I also love, it does come with a strap as well. Let me take it out for you. This strap is just stunning. Let me put it on. So there we go. That is the strap. I mean, this strap you could wear separately with another bag. And for me, the reason why I went for this, I know that the normal Lady Dior is about the same price. So people are sort of thinking, wow, which I'm going to reveal the price in a sec. It is pretty pricey for, you know, a material bag. But with my collection, I always pick bags that I love, that I feel that's going to add a bit more to my collection. I do have a lot of leather, but I don't have something like this. And I love that even though it's fabric, it's really sturdy. It's classic with a twist, I guess. It's still the classic Dior silhouette, but it's in a different fabrication. So for me, I mean, I don't buy to the intent to resell or anything like that, but I just buy it because I loved it and I saw it and I'm like, yep. And another thing is that I love floral. Like what I'm wearing at the moment is my Zimmermann dress. So I mean, even with this, I'm doing some mod shots now. It goes so well, whether you wear it on the shoulder, whether you wear it handheld. I mean, Lady Dior's, in my opinion, looks the best handheld. It's such an elegant bag. So even though it is in fabric, it is still, you know, a pretty structured bag. So I just adore it. Now the price. It is pricey, guys. It is in Australian dollars, 7,900. So very pricey. And in Australia, I think we may be one of the most expensive, I think. But as I said, this is going to add to my collection. You can't go wrong with the Lady Dior silhouette. And, you know, the Lady Dior in the bag in itself is my favorite. So I was so close. I really love the second choice, which I think you guys sort of guessed as well. I loved the small book tote, which I'll put here and I tried on as well. I love that print. I love the size. The reason why I didn't end up getting that was because I do have the larger size book tote and I don't reach for it that much. And I just think that for the smaller size, whilst it's better and more manageable, I still think I'm definitely more of, you know, a shoulder strap top handle girl rather than a tote girl. So I'm not going to say I'm never going to get the small, but I just loved this one more. But because I love the print so much, in here, I had to get something in that print. And it is the stunning Mitzah. And let me see if the receipt actually has the name. No, it doesn't have the name. I can't remember the name of this particular design, but it is very Dior. As you know, Dior's sister Catherine loved gardening, and I really like it. This sort of wild flowers and all this print. It's in bags, it's in shoes, it's in accessories. So that tied onto the book tote. If you guys are a tote sort of person, that is beautiful as well. And the price of the Mitzah is 410 Australian dollars. Now, I may even get, there's actually a beautiful Mitzah in this floral fabric, which I could get, but I don't know, but I'm sure I can go back and get it because I do like to protect the handles, but the handles are so beautiful in itself, so I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. But yes, that's how much the Mitzahs cost in Aussie dollars. But this one here would go really well with some of my Hermes Kellys. I'm already thinking it's going to go really well with my grey pearl. Oh, it would even go well with my mini Lady Dior in grey. So I still got that print because I love it, but I ended up getting this beautiful baby. So that is it, guys. That is my quick Dior reveal. I am super happy to be able to add this beautiful floral beauty to my collection. I think it definitely adds something. It adds some texture. You know me, I love color and floral. So I think, did you guys guess right? I'm pretty sure you did. But yeah, I just adore her. I think she's just stunning. And for all my Aussie followers, don't forget to enter for the perfume. I'll be sending this to one of you guys. I will leave all the instructions down below. And yes, that is just something for you. And that is it. So if you did enjoy it, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And I will catch you really soon in my next one. Bye, guys. Okay, wait.